what's going on. You ever have it where you fill your sink up and your sink doesn't drain? There's a P-trap underneath the sink, and a lot of times you'll have to take that apart. I'm going to show you a little trick today that is a step to do before that. You can also do this on the showers. It's called a drain weasel. You can pick this up at Home Depot for like $5. Saves you from having to call a plumber out, and I'll show you how this will actually unclog the sink. Okay, so I have actually already used this a couple of times, so there's already some kind of buildup on it, but what it is, it's a flexible rod, right? And then this is your tool. It's going to spin. Okay, so you put this in here, clip that, put this in here, push that down, and then that's going to spin. So I'm going to turn the water on, and you saw that wasn't draining a second ago. You actually need to push this and get that up a little more. Okay. Put it down there. As you're pushing it down, you're going to spin it. All right. This is going in the P-trap. There's a bend. You saw how fast that drained. And this will start pulling out hairs. It's kind of gross, but kind of something has to be done. Let's run this back down again. You can see how it's draining right away right now. I'm gonna have to clean this off now because I'm pulling out a bunch of hair and gunk. Like I said, this is the same way that you can clean out your bathtub or shower. Now be prepared on that. You're really gonna pull a lot of stuff out of there. So you can, it is gross, but I'm kind of scooping it off and leaving it in the sink, and I'm going to throw it in the trash. But it's an easy way to clean out your sink, get your clog going down. Okay, thanks.